Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Hold that, sir. There's no time for pickleball because you're going to want to hear this. Noom now has GLP-1s. No way. Oh, yes way, Fred. Psychology and meds. That's how Noom helps you lose the weight and keep it off. And they start at just $149 and they're shipped to your door in 7 days. Holy smokes, that's fast. But not as fast as my service game. Hey, who's ready to get pickled?
Get started with the Noom GLP-1 program today. Individual results may vary. Not all customers will medically qualify. No affiliation with Novo Nordisk Inc. Compounded medications are not reviewed by the FDA for safety, efficacy, or quality. Not available in all states.
What does the term digital workplace mean to you? In today's world of AI, robotics, and AR, it's much more than an office full of people on computers. It can be anywhere from a factory floor to the top of a crane to the cockpit of an F1 car. Wherever your digital workplace may be, TeamViewer's mission is to make work better. How? By securely connecting your people with the data, expertise, or insights they need in real time to make work more efficient. By automating and streamlining IT and OT support to fix problems before they happen, to make work more productive. And by bringing all the possibilities of a secure and flexible digital workplace to all your people everywhere, to make work more innovative. So discover how TeamViewer can make work better, wherever it happens across your business. Learn more at teamviewer.com/workbetter.
Scaling your business requires the right expertise at the right time. With Upwork, you can find specialized freelancers in marketing, development, design, and more. Posting a job on Upwork is easy. With no cost to join, you can register, browse freelancer profiles, get help drafting a job post, or even book a consultation. From there, you can connect with freelancers and easily hire them to take your business to the next level. Post a job today and hire tomorrow with Upwork. Visit Upwork.com right now and post your job for free. That is Upwork.com to post your job for free and connect with top talent ready to help your business grow. That's UPWORK.com, Upwork.com.
These are the Daily Tech Headlines for Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. I'm Sarah Lane. HBO Max is back, baby. Warner Brothers Discovery announced it will rebrand the streaming service Max back to HBO Max this summer, just 2 years after dropping HBO from the name. The company now admits the original change caused confusion, though the service did add 22 million subscribers in the past year, and the company says it projects 150 million by 2026. Sony says it's considering raising PS5 prices or shifting PlayStation manufacturing to the U.S. to offset the impact of U.S. tariffs, which could cost the company around $680 million over the next year. So says the company. The PS5 has not been singled out for price hikes yet, but Sony CFO Lin Tao says passing on costs to consumers is not off the table. With the U.S.-China 90-day tariff reduction, game consoles are still subject to a 30% U.S. import tax from China, where most PS5 units are produced. Google is testing a new AI mode on its homepage with select users in Google Labs, replacing the long-standing "I'm feeling lucky" button. This should certainly boost engagement with Google's Gemini AI and compete more directly with ChatGPT, which has a much larger user base. NVIDIA announced it will sell more than 18,000 of its top chips to Saudi Arabia's Humane. Its first deployment will use its GB300 Blackwell chips. Uber is launching a new fixed-route commuter shuttle service called Route Share in Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, New York City, Philadelphia, and San Francisco, offering up to 50% off Uber X fares and letting riders book share rides along certain corridors, with pickups every 20 minutes and, this is probably key for a lot of you, limited to 2 co-riders at once. Riders can schedule seats up to a week in advance. DJI announced the Mavic 4 Pro with a triple camera system that can shoot up to 6K at 60 frames per second with 16 stops of dynamic range with the new foldable RC Pro 2 controller. It's available now in Canada for $2,049 plus Europe and the UK, but not launching in the US. However, The Verge's Sean Hollister now says that Adorama and B&H, two large camera stores based in New York City, have both listed the drone for either $2,699 or $3,549 for the Fly More kit or $4,649 for the Creator Combo. B&H tells Hollister it's only offering pre-orders for now. Adorama confirms it's selling limited stock this week. Perplexity and PayPal are teaming up to let users book travel, buy products, and get tickets directly within Perplexity's AI chat interface using either PayPal or Venmo. PayPal will handle all payments and shipping and support. The partnership reflects an industry push towards agentic commerce, where AI agents handle the entire shopping process from search to purchase. And finally, Google's DeepMind unveiled a new AI system called AlphaEvolve, designed to solve math and science problems with a self-evaluation mechanism to reduce hallucinations by generating and critiquing and scoring its own answers. Currently limited to domains like computer science and optimization, but has shown promise, rediscovering top solutions 75% of the time and finding better ones 20% of the time. Soon available to select academics through an early access program. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, you know what to do, but I'll tell you anyway. Subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all these headlines there as well. Thank you for listening. I'm Sarah Lane, and we will talk to you tomorrow.
Hold that serve. There's no time for pickleball because you're going to want to hear this. Noom now has GLP-1s. No way! Oh, yes way, Fred. Psychology and meds. That's how Noom helps you lose the weight and keep it off. And they start at just $149, and they're shipped to your door in 7 days.
Holy smokes, that's fast!
But not as fast as my service game. Hey, who's ready to get pickled?
Get started with the Noom GLP-1 program today. Individual results may vary. Not all customers will medically qualify. No affiliation with Novo Nordisk Inc. Compounded medications are not reviewed by the FDA for safety, efficacy, or quality. Not available in all states.
Under Biden, Americans' cost of living skyrocketed. Food, housing, auto insurance. Lawsuit abuse is a big reason everything's more expensive today. Frivolous lawsuits cost working Americans over $4,000 a year in hidden taxes. President Trump understands the problem. That's why he supports loser pays legislation to stop lawsuit abuse and put thousands back in the pockets of hardworking Americans. It's time to make America affordable again. It's time to support the president's plan.